Hello, Clearbrook, North Dallas. Thank you for watching. Finishing up a 2019 Ferrari Pista Xpel Stealth paint protection film, and on the carbon fiber Xpel Ultimate Plus. Full vehicle was done. We'll just quickly show you the edging to show you where everything gets wrapped. Everything. There's no edges sticking out. There's your doors. There's your mirrors. We did all this in one section. Underneath, everything goes in. Everything going around these corners and all these edges. Everything goes underneath. Black was also done in stealth film. The roof, all one piece. So the top of the car gets done in one piece. All the trim, even wrapped. All the carbon fiber, fully wrapped around. And coming around the rear end, the quarter done in one piece, no seaming. The bumper, again, one piece, carbon fiber. Goes in a few sections naturally. And obviously this carbon fiber piece across the top trim of the bumper is all one. These little guys, these inlets here, are all one. So great job. Car looks fantastic. Xpel Stealth and Xpel Ultimate Plus used on this 2019 Ferrari Pista. Hope you enjoyed it. Fantastic car. Clearbrook, North Dallas. If you need to reach us, 940-703-8301 or clearbrooknorthdallas@gmail.com. Have a great day.